Good morning, everyone. This is Pavani. I hope everyone is fine. So, again, we have come back. So, today I would like to take for 8th standard, Oliver asks for more. Okay, for 8th standard, Oliver asks for more. This is an extract from the novel Oliver Twist, written by the British novelist Charles Dickens, 1812 to 1870. It is the story of an orphan boy named Oliver who is brought to a children's home. Mr. Bumble. So now, before this, once again, I'll read the paragraph. This is an extract from the novel Oliver Twist. This was taken from the novel Oliver Twist, and this was written by a British novelist, Charles Dickens. His name is what? Charles Dickens. Okay, and it is the story of an orphan boy named Oliver. It is the story of an orphan boy named Oliver who is brought to a children's home. Okay, that boy was brought to a children's home. Mr. Bumble walked on with long strides. Mr. Bumble here, Bumble is the in charge. Okay, Bumble is the in charge. Mr. Bumble walked on with long strides. Strides means what? Steps. What is the meaning of strides here? Steps. Little Oliver, firmly grasping his gold-laced scarf, trotted beside him. Oliver had not been within the walls of the workhouse a quarter of an hour when Mr. Bumble informed him that the board had said he was to appear before it forthwith. So, first tell me, who will be put in the orphanage? Okay, the child's parents. If at all, if a child doesn't have his parents, that child will be put in the orphanage to give food and also education. Okay, so here Oliver was brought to the orphanage. Okay, to put him in the orphanage, he was brought. Then, so actually he was never visited such kind of place, and he don't know how to behave with the people there. So when Oliver has come there, now see here, Oliver had not been within the walls of the workhouse a quarter of an hour when Mr. Bumble, so Bumble, he informed him that the board had said he was to appear before it forthwith. So forthwith means without delay. So now see here, board means what here? Board members. If any organization, if the people are running an institution, the board members will be for that. Okay, the committee members will be. So now the board people, they have to come and they have to decide whether Oliver can be put in that orphanage or not. So Mr. Bumble took that boy Oliver and he asked him to wait there. So now see here, not having a very clearly defined notion. What is the meaning of notion? Notion means an idea. What is the meaning of notion? Notion means an idea. Okay, the meaning of notion is an idea. Not having a very clearly defined notion of what a life board was. So he don't know what is the board and what is the life board. Okay, life board means the people, those who are running any organization, the board members will come and they'll have a meeting there. So now this boy was brought here and Mr. Bumble asked him to wait there, and I'll go inside and I'll talk with those people. Then I will call you in. You have to come. Like that he said to Oliver, and he went inside. Then Oliver was rather astonished. Astonished means what? Shocked. Okay. Astonished means what? Shocked. The meaning of astonished is shocked. So Oliver was rather astonished by this information. Okay, this fellow told me to wait here. He'll go inside and again he'll come. What information he is going to give and what answer I have to give to them, what I should talk to them, and was not quite certain whether he ought to laugh or cry. So he did not understand once when he get inside whether he has to laugh or he has to cry. He did not understand. Why? Because he didn't visit orphanage anytime, so he don't know how to act there with the people. So he was thinking that in the meanwhile he had no time to think about the matter. So just Mr. Bumble went inside and within a minute he has come out. So this fellow didn't get the time to think whether he has to laugh or he has to cry or what people will be asking questions. Okay, he didn't get the time to think about all those. Mr. Bumble asked Oliver to follow him into a large white washroom where 8 or 10 fat gentlemen were sitting round a table. So then in the meanwhile, immediately Mr. Bumble came out and asked this Oliver to follow him. Okay, and he has taken him to a large whitewashed room. Okay, he has taken to a large whitewashed room where 8 to 10 fat gentlemen were sitting. How many men? 8 to 10 fat gentlemen. Okay, 8 to 10 fat gentlemen were sitting in that room. Now this boy was brought to that room. At the top of the table, seated in an armchair rather higher than the rest, was a particularly fat gentleman with a very round red face. Now you can see in the picture here, okay, you can see in the picture here what is given here. Like what the people are sitting, okay, the committee, the board members are sitting here, and he is Bumble and he is Oliver, okay. So Oliver was brought here and all the people were sitting. How many people were there? 8 to 10 fat gentlemen were sitting in that room. So he was brought in front of them. And now see here. Now then, bow to the board, said Bumble. So what Bumble said? Bow to the board means he has to bow in front of those people. To whom he said? He said to Oliver. Oliver brushed away 2 or 3 tears that were lingering in his eyes. So now by seeing those fat people, he got frightened. Okay, by seeing those 8 to 10 fat people, he got frightened and he started crying. Okay, he shed tears. Then lingering in his waiting means already the tears are waiting in his eyes. Okay, just they are about to fall. Lingering means to wait. What is the meaning of lingering here? To wait. Then, and seeing no board but the table, bowed to that. So he did not see the board members, just he has seen the table over there. He bowed to the table. Okay, that's it. Then, what's your name, boy? Said the gentleman in the high chair. Now see, here you can see the difference of the chairs. So the red color shirt was the higher official compared to the other chairs. Why? Because this chair is little different, slight difference between the compared to the other chairs. Okay, slight difference compared to the other chairs. So he is the head among all. He is the head. Okay. So now here what happened? What's your name, boy? Said the gentleman in the high chair. Okay, in the high chair means the middle one. Okay, from first to second one. Then he said, what's your name? Then Oliver was frightened at the sight of so many gentlemen, which made him tremble. Tremble means what? Shiver. What is the meaning of tremble? Shiver. Okay, so he was getting shivering by seeing those people and he put the question. Okay, tremble means what? Shiver. So now here, the beadle gave him a tap on his back. So here one more person, beadle. Okay, the beadle gave him a tap on his back means with the cane he gave a like one blow on his back. Okay, what is the meaning of beadle? An official of a church. The meaning of beadle is what? An official of a church. So one more person was standing there. Okay, he is beadle and he has given with a stick, okay, one blow on his back. On whose back? On Oliver's back. Okay, then beadle gave him a tap on his back with his cane, which made him cry. So already tears are rolling in his eyes. The moment when the beadle gave him on his back, he started crying. Okay, then, boy, said the gentleman in the high chair, listen to me. You know you're an orphan, I suppose. Again, the higher official, what he said? Boy, said the gentleman in the high chair, listen to me. You're an orphan, I suppose. I know that you're an orphan. Is it true? Like that he asked. Then, what's that, sir? Inquired poor Oliver. So he don't know the meaning of an orphan. Then immediately he said, what's that, sir? Then, the boy is fool, I thought he was, said the gentleman in the white waistcoat. So the one more person who is a committee member, what he said? Maybe this fellow is a fool. He don't know the meaning of like what? Orphan also. Without knowing that only he has come here. Like that he said. Okay, who is he? The gentleman in the white waistcoat. Okay. Then now here. Hush, said the gentleman who had spoken first. Who spoke first? The higher official spoke first. He said, okay, be quiet. You know you have got no father. So when he don't know the meaning of an orphan, so the higher official gave the answer to him. You know you have got no father or mother and you were brought up by the parish. Okay, you were brought up by the parish. So what is the meaning of parish? A church committee. Okay, the meaning of parish is what? A church committee. The meaning of parish means a church committee. Okay, the meaning of parish is a church committee. So now here, you don't have your father and mother and you were brought up by the parish. Yes, sir, replied Oliver, weeping bitterly. Weeping means extreme level he was crying. Okay, he was crying more and more. What are you crying for? Inquired the gentleman in the white waistcoat. Again that fellow said, what are you crying for? Just now he said, no, he don't know the meaning of orphan also and he came. So that fellow only said that, what are you crying for? I hope you say your prayers every night, said another gentleman in a gruff voice. So another gentleman, he said in a gruff voice, I think you will do every night your prayers, like that he asked. for the people who feed you and take care of you like a Christian. So the people, those who are supplying food to you, okay, like are you praying for them every day, okay, to God? Are you praying about those people like that? One more person asked. Then, yes sir, stammered the boy. Stammer means what? Speak with difficulty. Okay, what is the meaning of stammered? Speak with difficulty. The meaning of stammered is what? Speak with difficulty. Speak with difficulty. The meaning of stammered is speak with difficulty. So now here he said, yes sir. Well, you have come here to be educated and taught a useful trade. Trade nothing but business, said the red-faced gentleman in the high chair. So what is the higher official name is given here? Red-faced man. Okay, that means he is looking like complete, though the complexion, who is more fair. Okay, they once when they get angry, how their face becomes pinkish and red, no? So he was like that. Okay. Then he said that you have come here to be educated and also to taught useful trade. Then so you will begin to pick oakum tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, added the surely one in the white waistcoat. Again, the person who white waistcoat, what he was saying. So you have to pick oakum. Okay, oakum means a loose fiber. Okay, oakum means what? A loose fiber. A loose fiber. Okay. So once when we rotate it, what happens? A loose fiber means a rope. Once when we twist it, it becomes like what? Like a solid one. All the strings once when we like what, for example, all the ropes will be like this. Okay, it's a loose fiber. Once when we put all together and when we roll it, what happens? When we rotate like this, it becomes a strong rope. So that he has to do. Okay, oakum means loose fiber obtained from threads. Okay, so now here, so you have to do that. Who said? The white waistcoat fellow said. Then Oliver bowed low. Okay, he bowed low, directed by the beadle. He went along with the beadle. Who is beadle here? An official of a church. Along with the beadle, he followed. Okay, he followed him. And then where he has taken the beadle and was then hurried away to a large ward. Ward means what? In the hostel, when you join in the hostel, like you can see, okay, hostel people, they'll have big dormitory. So same way here also, as it is orphanage, there was a large room. All the beds were arranged there. Then now, where on a rough hard bed he sobbed himself to cry. So they have shown him one bed and that bed was very hard. So he sobbed. Sobbed means what? To cry. Okay. What is the meaning of sobbed? To cry. So he cried. Sobbed means cry. So by seeing that bed, as the bed was very hard, he started crying. Okay. By seeing the bed, he started crying. I must sleep in such kind of bed. Then poor Oliver, as he lay sleeping, unconscious of everything around him, the board had taken a decision that would change the course of his life. So now this Oliver, he slept, but he don't know what was happening in the orphanage. Okay, so once when he has joined in the orphanage, so completely his life has changed. Okay, the orphanage people, they have taken a decision to change his life. The members of this board were very wise and philosophical men. Okay children, in the next class I will continue the next part.